Hey. Hello there. Too busy having a bath on my finger? Oh, hello. How you doing? Are you a happy bird? Hey, are you a happy bird? Give me a kiss. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Mwah. Aww. You're so cute. Yeah, you're a good birdie already. Yeah, what a smart birdie. Yeah. What's your name? What's your name? Who are you? Hello? Who are you? Excuse me. Hey. Excuse me. We're doing an interview. You're too busy having a bath. Hello there. Are you gonna do that right now? Oh, hello. So, this is my new friend. And, turkey, chicken, Jinxie, Pikachu, chicken, Lana Banana. Oh, Chiquita Banana. Chiquita Banana. Who's a pretty bird? I don't know if it's a boy or girl yet because it's only 3 months old. So, I don't know yet if it's a boy or a girl. Anyway, this is my new pal. If you have any ideas for a name, like it could be Tommy, Timmy. You want to be Timmy? Charlie? You want to be Charlie? Hi, Charlie. You could be a Charlie's Angel. Like, what is this? This is what my bird is doing on my hand. Just like, what are you doing, silly? Yeah. Welcome to the brood. Part of my flock now. Oh, you're so cute. He's a good birdie. Yeah, he's a good birdie.